Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Ford Taurus and I will show you how to fold down the rear seats. This video should apply to all Ford Tauruses made from 2010 all the way up to 2019. Okay, now most of the vehicles will have a small knob or a latch to pull in the trunk area, but Ford Taurus actually has a small lever just tucked in here behind the seat belt. So what you want to do, you want to squeeze your hand inside here and pull it out pretty much. Okay, see, there's a small lever right here, so you just pull it towards yourself and you can lower down the seat, and that way you can get much more cargo space. I will show you the other side as well. I won't be able to lower it, but I'll show you the location of that lever as well. I have a baby seat in here, so I can do it. Okay, other side, here is the lever. Just pull it over yourself and that will get the complete seat down. To pull the seat back up, there is a latch right here which is gonna lock, so all you have to do, you just have to press it in. And that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.